The good thing about sitting on the floor is that you don't need a table. Today for a video, I'm going to talk about high-end products that I barely reach for. Is it a waste of money? Yeah, probably. But, you know, I just wanted them at the time. It does not mean that these products are bad. It's not on my brain to be like, hey, I want to use that product. It just kind of got lost in the makeup kerfuffle that I have going on over there. If you haven't subscribed, please do before you leave this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let's just jump right into it. The first thing I have here is the Becca X Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette. This was such a hyped product because everyone was just so excited to get their hands on it. Becca highlighters are pretty good. It's just that I don't reach for this. I ended up getting a full size of the Champagne Pop because I thought it was such a unique, fun, peachy kind of color. But let's be real, this one is way too dark for me, so I can use it as a shimmery bronzer if I want to. And this guy is just way too light for me. So, I mean, I could use it at the very highest points of my cheeks, but I just don't. So I don't reach for this product at all ever. I can't even remember the last time I used it. I think it was honestly when I got it in the mail and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited, let me just put this on. It actually kind of hurts me to look at this because this stuff isn't cheap. So I need to get my crap together and probably use it. This is the Hourglass Ambient lighting palette. This was all the rage when I first started YouTube. I love this palette, don't get me wrong. It's just that it's very, very, very subtle. I do recommend this for brides. If you are like a makeup artist and you do a lot of bride makeup, I definitely recommend this palette. It's so subtle and it still gives you like a nice everyday kind of glow. I like more of a blinding highlight, kind of the highlight that I'm wearing today. This is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Highlighter. I don't think about using it because it's not as vibrant of a highlighter. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer, the Coconut Perfect Tan limited edition bronzer. See, if anything's limited edition, we all go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over it because it's limited edition. So obviously we have to get our hands on it because it's not gonna ever come back, right? This is such a good bronzer. It really, really is. It smells like coconuts. Girl, where the heck am I supposed to store this in my vanity? This shiznit is so big. I like how much product that you get and I love the big mirror. It's good for traveling. It just stays in my big makeup drawer and then I totally just forget about it. It is a nice bronzer, don't get me wrong, but I just don't reach for it. This is the Givenchy Prizm Libre powder. It's a nice powder. It really is. It comes with 4 different colors, which is kind of cool. So you swirl them all together and, you know, you could set your under eyes, you could set your face. I used to use this all the time, but then I got hooked on the Urban Decay Velvetizer and I don't want to use anything else because it makes my skin look so smooth. This does make your skin look smooth and it does provide color. It's just that I don't reach for it, like at all ever. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Is it nice? I don't know. I haven't used it that much to actually form an opinion on it, which kind of is a bummer. I like the packaging. I like that it actually comes with a lid. I left this in my vanity for so long because I'm like, okay, maybe if I see it out, I'll use it more. No, I literally did not use it at all because, again, the Urban Decay Velvetizer has taken over my life. Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I probably don't reach for this because I never remember a time where this actually worked for my skin. I feel like it makes me look really old and dingy. I just never reach for this, ever. And everyone raves about it, so I want to find a way where I can kind of make it work. Coco Chanel Universal Libre powder. I never reach for this. I think mainly because it's so dark. It's literally like such a tan shade, so I'm going to have to use this in the summer. I've literally only been using the Urban Decay Velvetizer. It's such a good powder. So I just don't reach for this. The MAC lipsticks. I remember in college when my roommate and I were trying to get literally almost like every shade, and I just never ever reach for these. I am currently opting for glosses or Barney lip colors, apparently. These I just feel like are so drying and they just look crumbly on the lips. What steers me away from these is the formula. So that's why I never reach for these. Another lipstick is the Coco Chanel Rouge Coco lipstick. Maybe in the summer I'll reach for it more, but I remember last summer I didn't really reach for it that much. It has like that classic Chanel kind of fragrance, but this is a nice color. It just looks like a nice wash of orange. It's just that I never reach for these. I don't know. I keep it on my vanity. They are really nice lipstick formulas. It's just that I reach for so many other things before I would even consider this. The 10th item. This is the Stila Kitten Karma Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. They are really pretty, it's just that I find that it flakes on my face, and then I have glitter everywhere, which is not cute. And then I have a little bit of a hooded eye, so they kind of go all the way up here, even if I do use glues and primers and I don't know. So I feel like I might have to use this as like a liner. I think that would look really pretty. I know that it was supposed to be like an easier way to apply glitter. I'd rather just use my regular powders and call it a day. Those are my 10 luxury makeup products that I do not reach for. Let me know in the comments down below what products you don't reach for that much, that you paid way too much money for. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later.